Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to copy and paste on DELL 7320 Detachable. So if we want to copy the text, just type something, click 2 times and copy. And now when we want to paste it, just click and the paste should appear. But if not, then click and hold, then click paste. If we want to copy the files, just click on it and hold. It's not working right like that, so we can... Oh yeah, it is working. Just click and hold. One more time. Click and hold and click copy. Now click and hold and paste. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.